BOME-USDT Overview. The cost of this signal and analysis for you is to like, comment, share, and subscribe to fuel your passion and keep this channel growing. Trading style, spot trading. Target time frame, around 1 month between take profit levels. Entry levels, 0.012028 to 0.013629. Take profit targets. Target 1, 0.020819. Target 2, 0.024449. Target 3, 0.028373. Target 4, 0.031954. Target 5, 0.035289. Stop loss, 0.006888. Keys to success in trading. Be patient and use simple technical analysis tools like trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Trading recommendations. Consider entering the trade after a pullback in price. Important. This analysis is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. We wish you successful trading.